Hello friends, today in this video I will share with you how to make garlic oil for hair growth in 30 days garlic and coconut hair oil treatment. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, because never miss another update. So first we need garlic. Garlic is a traditionally used ingredient in the kitchen as it adds a distinctly strong flavor to the dish. Not only this, it is known to have medicinal properties that help heal various ailments. This wonder ingredient is more than just a flavor-adding agent and medicine, it is known to be an excellent hair care ingredient. For all you people dealing with hair loss, garlic is the solution. Hair loss is essentially unnatural, it's a sign of a deficiency or imbalance in the body. What is it that garlic has, which makes it an excellent hair growth natural ingredient? Raw garlic is known to be rich in vitamin C content that is great for promoting hair health. It also boosts collagen production that helps stimulate hair growth. The presence of selenium content in garlic helps boost blood circulation for maximum nourishment.
Second, we need lemon. Lemons contain antioxidants, minerals such as calcium, magnesium and potassium, and vitamins including C and B6, which are all important for healthy hair. Known as an aid to increase hair growth, its use can stimulate the follicles and scalp, reduce dry skin and remove excess oil. Third, we need coconut oil. The natives of coastal and tropical regions of the world can boast of their shiny and thick hair. That's because they have known all the beneficial properties of coconut oil for thousands of years. Coconut oil is the first plant oil ever used by mankind. It is derived from mature fruits of coconut trees. It is thick and white semisolid, therefore, you need warming it before using for hair. Generally, it's used either externally and internally, for healthy food, ideal skin and other benefits. 3 ingredients will be mixed. Mix it swell. We have to mix it swell. Ready for use on your hair. How to use. Apply on hair and leave it 30 minutes. After 30 minutes rinse hair by normal water. Apply only 3 days in a week. Apply about 3 to 4 weeks to get result. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe now.